Okay, got a little antifreeze in her, got a little water in her. She's ready to go up and run. I'm still waiting for the gas line, and I can go ahead and put the alternator where I want to. I'm kind of balancing how I'm feeling. You know, I mentioned before, sometimes I feel better than others. I feel a little bit okay now, but I don't know how long I'll be out here before I need to run back inside. But I could unwrap this thing here. Looks like it's a lot longer than it needs to be for my purposes, but there's always ways to shorten things up. Oh yeah, here they have given me a bunch of ways to shorten things up, so I'll see how that's going to work. So, we can go ahead and attach that alternator wire over here, like I talked about earlier. Oh, the joy. And I might want to go ahead and look for a way to run it down to where I want it to go down there, where it won't be in the way of anything. Won't be starting any fires or anything. I might also want to get me a plug wire loom, although I have in the past been able to tie up the plug wires with cable ties. I mean, that works too. This looks like it's got more than one piece of wire in here. I might have a few extra pieces in here, I don't know. But the piece I want to focus on is this piece here. I think they did just throw extra bunch of wire in here. This piece here with the insulator on it is the piece. See, the whole purpose of that insulator is so that you won't reach over there and touch that hot wire. I got a scar on me somewhere, if I hadn't outgrown it, where I had a metal watch when I was a kid, and I reached over and that watch touched one of them hot wires on the alternator, and it burnt my arm. As I was pulling it off, it was taking skin with it. There was a hot burn I got from that, and I ain't never forgot that. No sir, never have. What they seem to have done is just give me some extra wires in here. They were along with what I got. It's okay, I'll always take a little extra wire. This is the point that matters right here. That goes right on the layer right there. I probably can't see what I'm doing from way over there, but there's on the back of this alternator, it's like I said, this is a one wire alternator. That bolt right there, that's where the fire comes from, right there. And this thing goes on that. I need to sit y'all down some kind of way. Goes on that. And this goes over that. And then this goes over that. And see, that seals. See, that wire seals right over where that red thing was, and that seals right onto that. And then you can take this wire, take it wherever you want it to go. In my case, it will eventually probably go to the starter, but I could also, just for the time being, just clamp it down here. So there's a hot wire coming into the battery. I'm not sure which I'm going to do, but right now I'm going to stop. I'm reaching a point where I don't need to be out here anymore. I kind of feel it. Be back with you later.